In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a pretty party look. It's important to start off with the right base of clean, moisturized face and lips. This will give your makeup something to hold on to and last longer. We're going to start off with the eyebrows. I'm going to work this shadow through my brows. You want to have a shadow that's very close to your own natural coloring, but a little bit lighter. Eyebrows can disappear in photographs, so add a little bit of something if you want to have that picture perfect look. Depending on the tones in your dress or your accessories, you can put this down as a base with the eyeshadows that we're using. This is just a nice way of getting it to match any dress or any style you want. I'm going to use this champagne color as my base, and I'm just working it all over the lid. This will also give your eyeshadows something to stick to. My biggest tip for eyeshadow is to make sure you don't go outside this line. Everything down here needs to be clear. If you still struggle, you can put down tape or tissue to keep the shadows in place. The first shade I'm taking is this mid-tone, and I'm going to work this into the crease right above the eyelid, and as you can see, I'm just keeping my eyes open and I'm just looking down in the mirror. I'm going to buff that out with a blending brush, and this will just add a little bit of definition to our eyes. Taking this shimmery chocolate shade, I'm going to work this into the lower part of the crease and the outer corner of the eye. Taking a little bit onto a fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go over the top and slightly buff it out. This is going a bit lower than the mid-tone. I love this beautiful golden shade, and this is going on the outer half but coming in a little bit further. This is almost going on the center of the eyelid, and I'm just patting that down very slowly. Taking a little bit more of that chocolate shade, I'm going to work it underneath the eyes. Taking a little bit of black, I'm actually going to go right by the lashes. This will definitely add some definition. Now for my favorite shade, I'm going to take a damp brush and this beautiful champagne color, and this is going from the inner corner right to the halfway point of your eyelid. So it meets up with the other two shades. It is so glossy and so beautiful, I adore it. To add definition to the lashes, I'm going to use this eyeliner pen. Keep it as close to the lashes as possible and work your way out. I'm slightly looking down in the mirror and just tracing my lash line. This can be as thick or as thin as you want. It's really just there for a little bit of fun. On the outer corner, I'm going to wing it upwards and then just join it in. Taking a black pencil liner, I'm going to put this into the inner portion of the eye. If you have smaller eyes, you can actually use a shimmery champagne color, and that will just open up your eyes. I want it to go a little bit smoky, so that's why I use the black. All you want to do then is curl your eyelashes and then add a few coats of mascara. You can also add some false eyelashes, which definitely work better in photographs. One thing to be sure of is that your foundation works in flash photography. Any of these foundations seem to work, and I have tested them out. Taking my flat kabuki brush, I'm going to stipple this on so I get a lot of coverage. Working across the cheeks and the jawline, and you also want to blend this down the neck as well. Set your makeup with a pressed powder or loose powder depending on your skin type, and this will just make sure that your foundation lasts longer. Taking my bronzer, I'm going to work this underneath my cheekbones to add some definition to the face. You can also blend this down the neck. And I'm going to take a touch of blush as well. Nothing too over the top. A touch of highlight onto the cheekbones will really add a nice sparkle to the face. For the lips, I'm using East End Snob. It's just a very nude, natural pink colour. going around the lip line and then slowly filling it in. Taking a clear gloss, I'm going to just dab this in the inner portion of the lips to make them look nice and full. Time to dance! Oh yeah! If you want to see more about foundation, you can check the link up here. And that's the finished prom look. Thanks for watching!